Hello everyone, welcome to the coordinates. In the previous video, we have successfully made the database connection file and the connection is done successfully. Now in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create the model for our customer. So first of all, I am going to create the new folder called models. Now I am creating the new files called customer.model.js. Now I'm importing Mongoose constant mongoose is equals to required mongoose. Now I'm creating the constant customer schema is equals to new mongoose dot schema. Then I have to write some fields, whatever the field we require our customers. So first of all, I am required first name. Then define the type of the field, like say this type colon string. This the field is a string. Then it's maybe it's required or not, so I have to write the required. Then it's required is equals to true. The customer first name is required. Then I am type the message enter first name, enter first name. We can give the like this. Then I can also use the trim function. Trim equals to true. In the same way, I have created the multiple fields. So in the same way, I'm using the last name. The last name is maybe we not set the last name is required, but we set the default value blank. If it's not entered, but we have to use the default value. In the same way, we have to use the another properties for email address. Create another field email address, then enter email address. Then also it's a required, then it must be a unique equals to true. So it may be the unique field, you cannot enter the duplicate customer email address. Then we can add one more field if we can required, then we can copy it here, copy, then paste is active. Then we cannot require is a mandatory field, not a mandatory field, not a unique field. Then we can set the default value is true. So whenever the customer is created, it by default is set to be true. Or you have to assign the default false if you want the customer is false, is not active. Then we have to add some field for the timestamp like created or updated. So we can use timestamp comma 2. So in this way, I have designed the schema for our customer. Now we can write the code modules dot sports mongoose dot model. Then we have to write the name customer. Then you can use this here. In this way, we have successfully created the customer model. In the next video, I am going to show you how to create the controller of the customer model. Thank you for watching this video.